Hello. Today we are going to discuss the elements of social structure. In the definition of social structure, we studied that social structure is an intangible and abstract concept and which sees the arrangement of social relationships in society, in which the various units, that is, the individuals in these relationships, are engaged into various status and roles, which are regulated by the customs and traditions of the society. We also studied that social structure studies the external framework or the outer framework of the society and is not concerned with the functional or inner aspect of the society. So, let's now study the elements of society in detail in order to have a deep understanding of the concept social structure. So, the first element says that social structure is a normative system. What does normative system means? The word normative comes from the word norms, values, ideals, etc. So, normative system means that the society or the social structure has certain norms which have to be followed by the individuals who are the basic unit or part of the society. So, we can see that people who are the units attach emotional importance to these norms, and the various parts of society, that is, the institutions and the associations, are interrelated with each other, being regulated by these norms. So, people whosoever are into various kinds of social relationships in the society are somewhere regulated and directed by the norms or the values existing in society. Now, next, we can say that social structure has a position system. So, position system, what does it mean? It means that the units or the people who exist in society are into some kind of roles and have or enjoy some kind of status because of this role. Normally, people who exist or stay in society, they are somewhere, uh, we can say that, have unlimited expectations, or they have a lot of aspirations, as we already know that man is by nature very progressive. So, in order to fulfill these expectations and aspirations, he performs several roles, and he also takes up the position attached with those roles. So, these roles and these positions are belong to the units of the society, that is, the individuals, and the smooth functioning of these roles is very important for the unity or the integration of the social structure. Now, the third element of social structure is the sanction system. Sanction system is again a system which is formed for regulating the conformity of norms in the society. If there are people or there are situations when we can find people are having non-conformity towards the norms of society, then the sanction system gives a warning or gives some kind of punishment to the non-conformists. And non-conformity can also lead to the disintegration of the social structure. So, it can be said that sanction system is important to integrate or to smoothly run the society. But if a society is well organized or if a society is smoothly running, that doesn't mean that there are no non-conformists. Definitely, there has to be some kind of non-conformity even in conformed situations, because it sometimes leads to growth and progress. But there should be smaller number of non-conformists, and there should be more number of conformists in the society in order to make the functioning smooth and effective. Now, other element of social structure is that it has a system of anticipated response. People who are existing in society, they are encouraged to participate in the structure of the society, or to participate in the action system of the society. This preparation and this commitment of the individuals towards their roles makes the society a dynamic entity. So, this preparedness or this participation of the people in the functioning of the society makes it more vibrant, dynamic, and smoothly functioning entity. And last but not the least, the social structure consists of an action system, action which is regarded as the final goal of any kind of structure or the social structure. We can say that the whole birth of the association institution or the basic kind of social relationships has been has took place or has taken place just for achieving this goal. So it is the most important part of any type of social structure. The whole structure is woven around the action or the goal. So, with the achievement of this goal is the final aim of the social structure, in which the units in the form of people who are in some kind of relationships and are regulated by the norms participate. So, this is all about the elements of social structure.